Do you struggle to keep up with your garden? Have some areas got out of control? Do you find yourself wishing it was lower maintenance? One of the key features of designing a low maintenance garden is in the plant selection, and yet how do you know which plant to choose? Because those nursery tags don't help. They don't tell you which pretty looking flower is really a thug in disguise. I'm Karen Chapman, and I can help. As a designer, horticulturalist and lifelong gardener on both sides of the Atlantic, I've created a short online course just for you, Secrets to Selecting Low Maintenance Plants. With 2 short videos and a wealth of materials you can download, you'd be well on your way to transforming your garden into one that you can maintain with confidence. Check out the link to find out more and to register. What are you waiting for? Come and learn my secrets today.